Okay, hello. So I just got a comment, sort of like a question on my comment section, asking on how you can actually use an on-screen keyboard. So sometimes you might be having problems with your keyboard, and then you want to use an on-screen keyboard. So in this video, I'll just show you the steps or where you can actually find your on-screen keyboard. Okay, so the first thing that you do is you'll be using your mouse. I will assume that your mouse is working. Okay. So you go to start and then you press here on start, and then you click on this arrow that goes down on your bottom left of the screen. You press, and then now you just navigate going to the left until you go to Windows Easy Access. Okay, so let's hope I'm not going to jump it. Okay, so this is Windows Accessories. Okay, and then Windows Easy Access. So can you see that here you've got your on-screen keyboard? You just click on it, and then let's wait for it to appear. So this is your keyboard. So for you not to have easy access next time, now you can just go here at the taskbar, and then you right click and then you say pin. Let me just pull this up so that you'll be able to see. If I move this one now, here you go with where your keyboard is. You just right click and then you say pin this program to taskbar. You click there. So even if I cancel here, can you see that is still there? So now it will be easy for you to just come and click here, and then it will appear. And then now there are functions. For example, these functions, that will be a shift function. So what you do now is you press shift at first, then you press your 8. So if you do that now, you'll be able now to type of. Let's just open a Word document so that you can actually see what we are talking about. Okay, let's hope our Word will not take much time to boot up to initialize. Okay, let's wait for our Word. This is coming on. Okay, so let's say I want to type, let's say 8. Okay, maybe it's a email address. Let's just say 123@yahoo.com. And then when you want to type 8, there that's a shift. You press shift first, and then your 8. So can you see now that 8 is there? Maybe 8345.com. Okay, so there you are. So this is how to use an on-screen keyboard. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Okay, bye for now.